All right, guys, this is 2017 Elite Extra Edition Baseball. We're doing 2 random teams per spot. Everybody that's in on the break is over here on the left side. It's a 1-box break. Going up from Jeff S to Will N. Copy everybody and head on over to random.org. Paste in all the names 2 times, 2 teams per spot. As always, we go 9 times on the random. So good luck, everybody. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Jeff S on top, Will N on bottom. 9 times. Alright. Come back in here and paste you guys right into the baseball spreadsheet. Let's highlight all these names, make them a little bigger. And light blue behind that. Alright, so those are your teams. Those are the teams. Good luck, everybody. Thanks again for getting in on the break and filling that so quickly. So, yep, here we go. Good luck, guys. There we go. All right, Elite Extra Edition. It says 2 autographs and 2 memorabilia cards, plus a bonus autograph or memorabilia hit. So, let's get it. It also says there's 11 cards per box. So, looks like we got a few packs here. Looks like 2 packs and then the little silver, so I'll save that. That must be that bonus hit. So each pack, I guess we're looking at 2 hits per pack. Elite Extra. Good luck, guys. All right, number 2/999 for San Fran, Jacob Gonzalez. And for the Colorado Rockies and Frankie G. So, wow, that's some bull crap. Jeez. All right. Well, we're going to have to random that off. 150 Panini points. That sucks. Ryan Valade, Colorado. That one's number 14 of 100 for Frankie G. Going out to Baltimore and trade wins. Nice quad patch. Quad jersey number 51 of 399. Tanner Scott, Baltimore Orioles. Pretty nice. And San Diego. Yeah, the 999. Okay, so yeah. That kind of sucks. All right, pack 2. Good luck. Baltimore is trade wins, yeah. All right, Alex Lang for the Cubs, number 2/999. A Tim LaCastro for the Los Angeles Dodgers. That one is number 22 of 25. Going out to the Dodgers and P. Wright. And for the Chicago White Sox and Casey H. Going out to Hoffy. What's up with this damn thing? There we go. Sebi Zavila. Looks like a catcher for White Sox autograph, and that one is not serial number. And for the Washington Nationals, And Will N. Victor Robles, numbered 116 of 399, dual jersey, pretty nice. And Shed Long, number to 999 for Cincinnati Reds. So here is the last one. This is that bonus hit. And another Robles for Washington Nationals. It's a quad jersey this time. Number 2399. So another hit for Will N. So 2 of those, an autograph for the White Sox, a bunch of numbered cards and rookies. And unfortunately, one of our hits was the Panini points, so that kind of sucks. But I will get it, I'll random everybody's name off, and you guys will all have a chance at it. So let's go back over to random.org. I'll repaste. Actually, let me go back in here and I'll repaste. I'll paste you guys from the order here. And we'll do the same thing. We'll go 9 times. Whoever comes up on top. Whoever comes up on top after 9 times will get the Panini points. Take you back into the random. Paste everybody 1 time. 9 times. Good luck, guys. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. James F. After 9 times comes out on top. So you will get the Panini points and be able to grab yourself something from the Panini Rewards store. So thanks again, guys, for getting in on that. It's Bambino Breaks. We're out.